Guys, welcome back to another episode of C programming tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about an example that demonstrate find the factorial of a number using recursive function. So the factorial of a number is one of the most commonly used example to demonstrate recursive function. So here also we are going to create an example that contain a function that find out the factorial of a number using recursion. So here in this example I declare a variable number and ask the user to enter a number and save that number into variable num. So here I declare a function with return type integer. I name the function as factorial, and this function has an argument, integer argument. Okay, and this function contain a variable fact. Okay, no need of that variable. So here we are not using any loop to find out the factorial of a number. We are using the recursion to find out the factorial of a number. So first I have to check whether the entered number is 1. So I check it here. If number equal to 1, the factorial of 1 is 1, so I return 1. So now we have it, if the user enter a number which is other than 1, then this else part will execute, and on the else part we are going to make the factorial of a number using recursion. So here I declare a variable called the fact. It's an integer type, and here I make the statement fact equal to num into factorial of num minus 1. So this statement contain the recursion of function. So here I call the same function with the argument num minus 1. That means if I put the number is 3, if I enter the number 3 and this num got value 3, and here I call the same function with the value 3 minus 1, that means 2. So again this function call 2 minus 1 1. If the factorial is 1, it will return 1. So here finally we got the factorial of a number here in variable fact, and finally return that value. Finally return fact. Okay, so this is the function that contain the recursion to find out the factorial of a number. So here is the number, here is the function. Sorry, I declare the variable outside of this function. You need to declare inside of the function. Okay, so this is the function that find out the factorial of a number using recursion. So finally you need to call that function. For that, here also I need a variable fact, and fact equal to factorial with argument num. Okay, finally we have to print out the result using printf slash n factorial of %d equal to %d, and here the first number is num and second number is fact. Okay, I save the program. Now we can compile it. I compile the program. It compiled without any error. Now I'm going to run it. So enter the number. I put 4. So the factorial of 4 is 24. This is how we find the factorial of a number using function recursion. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.